complaining about the damaged top of the kitchen lamp. They got back to us very quickly. We received an email early morning today stating that they acknowledged the damage and they are happy to replace it if we are okay with it. And of course we replied that we are okay. It's just that it is going to take another 8 to 12 weeks, which is on the higher side. That is what they claim, that it is going to deliver that. The original shipping period for our original order was also this. We received that in 5 weeks. Hopefully we'll receive the replacement part within the time our family comes. They also offered a 10% discount. Anyway, there's always a 15% discount for repeated customers, so that is of no use, but okay. We didn't say anything to that. So we have agreed on receiving the replacement part and they'll be delivering it. So before replying to that, we opened the whole package again. We checked all the parts and all the accessories, if there are any other missing parts or not. Luckily, there are no missing parts or any missing accessories. So we replied to them stating that okay, we are happy to receive the replacement. So we were getting bored at home. We decided to go out. There's a park nearby, which we have not visited yet. And Nitesh wanted to have a coffee. So we picked a park which already has a cafe or restaurant. We'll let you know how it goes.
The weather is slightly cold today. It has been all sunshine for the past few weeks, but it's again cold. It's like 10 degrees and it's windy, so it's making it more cold. But yeah, I think the park that we're going is a nice one. It looks nice in the picture. And to be honest, just we find excuses to go on a drive these days.
Yeah.
And this is one of
We are
those
still
excuses.
figuring out the area we live in and the nearby spots that we can go to when our family comes in. And
So this is one of those.
this is one of those drives which will help us explore the nearby areas. Weather is like partially sunny and partially cloudy, so it's giving a very cute, very nice look today.
And the good thing of the locality that we moved now is that there's a lot of green spaces nearby. So this is like 2 minutes drive from our place, and you can see it's all covered in green trees and everything.
Yeah.
It just adds to the experience of a drive.
Absolutely, we got lucky with the location of our place.
Like this is one of those things which you do not realize until you have it, and we just like truly admire these things now a lot. Like it's actually very nice. The greenery is soothing, and it's like cute, right? Like look at the spot, look at the area now.
Oh my god,
It's all covered in trees, and it's a nice road.
it's so pretty. We don't get to see these type of roads in a nearby area. You usually expect to travel a lot to actually see this. But we got lucky with our place.
This was my test route as well, so I took my driving lessons and gave my test over this route.
We have reached at the park. Just parked our car. The park's name is Pinner Memorial Park. The first hour is free. So there are 2 parkings here. One of them is at the chapel, and first hour for parking at the chapel is free. The other park has fully paid parking. There were many spots here. I mean, it's a very spacious parking.
Yeah, coincidentally, I practiced my parking skills here when I was taking the lessons. Which I only realized once entering it.
Now we are just walking up to the park. I think it's the entry here. So this is the entry.
It started to rain.
This is UK weather for you. It's not even a drizzle, it's more than a drizzle. It's raining actually.
Nice.
But the park is really pretty.
Yeah. There's the cafe, which we will go have a coffee and then we'll leave these trails. There are these cute birds in this frame. तेरा सागर वर्गियां गहरियां रखियां सूरज वर्गा मुख तेरा सुर्ख सुनहरी शमा वर्गी चांदन वर्गा मुख तेरा पहाड़ों की ठंडी हवा तू लहरा ही आना मेरा तू हाय दिल तू जा तू
दर्द दी वजह
दर्द दी
We need to buy one for our kitchen island.
What do you want? Big. Yeah, the textured one to keep in like over the island or coffee table.
Oh, look, I found your cup.
This is slightly large, but the textured one is not bad. Cookies and stuff. Is it not tolerant?
Not. Oh, this is 40 pounds.
This one for
I don't like it. Oh, so cute. So thinking this for above our radiator cover. I think. See, initially I wanted that, but
also got ones. Yeah, this one is
I like this one. What's the size? What's the price? 80 pounds for size.
160 into 230. This one is nice. I've got brown tenders inside.
How much are they?
Things are reasonably priced.
Yep.
Anything like it's 39 pounds. We'll go for that. Wait.
White? No.
Very small.
White. Yeah.
White. Depends on the vibe you're going for. It could
You're
be
going for spring or autumn.
We're going to the B&Q, which is just next to the Range.
I think I'm going here for the first time, and you?
I have been there.
Who did you go with? Huh?
To buy the song. Yeah, yes. You can buy this. Let's get this.
Where are you planning to put
Living
it?
room.
Then we should get rid of the sofa.
Should I not bought the sofa if we have seen this one? So these are
Yeah. Nice, pretty. Oh, look at that. The one with 4 globes. Here on your left. The one with 4 globes for our room. But in, steel.
okay.
But we can go for steel. I don't know, but it looks nice.
It's too much pressure to actually go with the design.
Yeah, so.
This one this looks small.
It's 95.
Have half one.
There you go. They have it.
It's very small.
It's very small. Yeah. What are the dimensions? Check the dimensions. Find me at 7. Oh, the packed box basically. And we have some more deliveries coming up. Hi, delivery boy. Oh, I mean the color is so cute.
Yeah, actually, I was
Complementing our kitchen.
because because I think the reason is self-explanatory.
Yeah.
Don't worry, we'll clean this up and then we'll set everything up, and then you will guys see the fun look.
Yeah. Now let's
Unbox the
move
next
on
one.
to the other box. Absolutely love boxes.
Okay. What are the next items? Yay!
Got a new kettle.
We had one earlier from the same brand, but we disposed of before. Like, actually, we gave it away in our building. It's from the same brand, so it's the matching kettle with the toaster. The good part is the color is actually very nice, like, but we were expecting it to be nice, but it's actually nicer than we expected, right? It's looking actually very good. Quite happy with the purchase. Yeah, it's actually very cute.
Okay, this thing, I was a little doubtful about this because it is on the pricier side than we expected it to be.
So it's from a brand called Shark.
Not sure, it's Ninja.
It says Shark Ninja. But yeah, we've got few other products from this brand and we absolutely love the quality of it. So we wanted to go with the same brand again for this thing.
It's a very renowned brand.
Yeah.
You will see these brands in everyday household.
And obviously,
In each house.
yeah,
Something or the other.
yeah, exactly. And also on the Reels and TikTok.
Yeah, it's quite popular.
Yeah, but the
Ninja, if you're watching this, we are your customer.
Yeah, and the good thing is, like, it's not just a gimmick of marketing. It's actually very good. Like, we have been using two or three of their products since last year, and they were damn good. Like, you actually feel the difference from a normal one. And to be honest, like, it's not that expensive in terms of price.
Yeah, it's a little. Yeah, I mean it's fine.
Like, compared to other products that
I mean they are giving you quality. If
Exactly.
They're charging you the price. So also the look
yeah, they look nice.
looks nice.
So yeah.
So we ordered a knife block.
Well, this is
open
something
this.
my purchase because I'm responsible for chopping in the house, and I just love getting a fancy knife to do it. And I've become sort of habitual of doing it with a large knife. And the older one didn't look good with the new house, so we just wanted to get a new one.
I think it'll look amazing on our
Yeah,
kitchen shelf.
exactly. So yeah, before we set up all of these things, let's just take care of the mess first, and then show everyone how does it look on the countertop.
Yeah.
Be careful with that. Sorry?
What's this for?
Maybe just an external space. So there's, like, I think
Okay.
lift it. Yeah. No. Yeah, so that's like one. These are the
bigger knife.
friends here, bigger knife.
So this is a bread knife. This is another chef knife. Another long knife, and these are the regular ones. And a scissor.